Friends, can you tell me which child has got leprosy? The chances are you won't ever be able to tell.
India still has the highest number of leprosy patients in the world. For over 30 years, Alert India has been leading the battle against leprosy, helping early detection, treatment, and rehabilitation.
This is one challenge which I can't take on alone. Join the Alert campaign against leprosy. Don't fear leprosy, treat it.
नमस्ते। आपसे मिलकर मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई। अगर आपको उतनी खुशी ना हुई हो तो मैं समझ सकता हूँ, लेकिन मुझसे मुंह मत फेरिएगा, प्लीज प्लीज। मुझसे 2-4 बातें करने से आपको ये कुष्ठ रोग नहीं हो जाएगा। और सच तो ये है कि अगर आप मुझसे हाथ भी मिलाएं तो भी आपको कोई डर नहीं है।
Scared to hold his hand? It's understandable. Centuries of myth, superstition, ignorance have poisoned our minds. So much so that even today you will find it very hard to believe that leprosy is just another treatable bacterial infection like typhoid or diarrhea.
सच तो ये है कि लेप्रेसी भगवान का कोई कर्स नहीं है। ये एक ऐसा डिजीज है जो मॉडर्न मेडिकेशन के साथ पूरी तरह क्योर हो सकता है।
And although deformity cannot be reversed, the disease is 100% curable with modern drugs, like any other bacterial disease. Naturally, you may ask that if it is curable, so why did Anand have to suffer like this?
मेरी गलती, मैंने डॉक्टर के पास जाने में बहुत देर कर दी।
Leprosy is one of the less infectious diseases, where early signs are trouble-free, gradually damaging the peripheral nerves, skin, eyes, and the membrane of the nose. The victims tend to disregard the early symptoms, which develop rather slowly, such as patches of discolored skin, numbness, and weakness of muscle.
पहले तो मैंने अपने आप को समझाया कि कोई मामूली चमड़ी की बीमारी होगी, लेकिन फिर अचानक मेरी उंगलियां सुन्न होने लगी।
When deformities began to show, Anand panicked. He hid from society and left himself untreated. And as expected, even his own people deserted him, fearing that deformity means infection. Actually, deformity is the result of the nerves getting affected, which manifests as loss of sensation, visibly thickened, oily skin, and shiny skin.
And the truth is, 80% of the cases are not even infectious.
And 98% of people like you and me do not get infected because our immune system is generally able to fight it off.
मेरी गलती ये हुई कि लोगों के बर्ताव के डर से मैंने अपने इस रोग को छुपाया।
Fortunately for young Kavita, at a routine checkup, a medical team of Alert India detected a small patch on her back. Diagnosing her ailment correctly, they immediately put her on a course of multi-drug treatment. As importantly, they assured her parents that once treatment began, her ailment was one of the least infectious among communicable diseases. Happily, Kavita continued to live with her fully supportive family. She even went to school every day, and in less than 6 months, she was pronounced 100% cured of the disease. Xavier Fernandez had contacted leprosy many years ago, when he was in primary school. In spite of correct diagnosis, his 11-year-long treatment with old-fashioned medication did not bring him so much cheer. Dejected, he even contemplated suicide. Until Alert India took charge of his recovery with modern multi-drug treatment and followed by complete cure and appropriate rehab.
When I knew about this leprosy, people were saying all the different stories, in that you are not been taken in the families, you are been given, and that time I felt very bad, and I thought of doing suicide. Then again, one of my doctor, he explained me everything about this, that leprosy can be cured if as you take a regular treatment and follow the instruction what doctor has given.
Today, Xavier is happily married, a proud father, and a senior technician in charge of this footwear unit at Alert India.
काश मेरी भी मुलाकात अलर्ट इंडिया वालों से हो जाती।
Anand's misfortune is not the result of a curse, but of ignorance, superstition, and fear. Shocking that even today most people still don't know that leprosy has an easy and definite cure. Do you?
ट्रस्ट मी, लेप्रेसी कोई जानलेवा डिजीज नहीं है। ये तो आपके कॉमन खांसी और जुकाम से भी कम इन्फेक्शियस है।
Since late 1940s, the medical battle against leprosy is being won with effective modern treatment. But the efforts taken to wipe out centuries of superstition and ignorance in our mind has a long way to go. The fear and stigma of leprosy often puts victims and their family in a state of desperate denial. Young Vinod's is a recent case where his mother refuses to accept that he has leprosy.
डकटी कातले हात भाजले तर ते पिचकी त्याच्या हाताला डसली तर मी विलाज केला, तेव्हा दवा पाणी केला मी तर नाही त्याला झाला येत. मला वाटलं का माठीन का ते जास्त झाला.
But thankfully, in spite of initial banishment to his faraway native village, Vinod today is back in the city and in the care of Alert India's treatment.
वे त्यांचे खंडोबाचा उपास धरते ना तो, त्याची बी मी प्रार्थना करते की माझा मुलगा चांगला होऊन द्या. तुमचे कुठले बी यान परस्तीन त्यान हो किंवा यान हो, पण कुठं तरी चांगला माझ्या बाबाचा होऊन द्या असा माझा परत दुसरा काय नाही. ही देवाला मी विनंती करते.
So while his mother depends on prayers to God, Vinod sees enough improvement already to himself admit that he is on the path to complete cure from leprosy.
1 वर्ष कोर्स पूर्ण केला गोळ्यांचा, तर मला चांगलं वाटेल असंच मला वाटते.
Nagobai's is another case in point. When she was diagnosed with leprosy, she was given appropriate multi-drug treatment, as usual, free of charge. But as it often happens, her parents, dreading social isolation, decided to send her to their native village and asked the village priest to cure her of this God-sent curse.
तो पुजारी बोला बकरी चढ़ाओ, हम लोग ने बकरी चढ़ाया और नारियल फोड़ा आगे।
Only when the efforts of the village priest failed and deformity stared her in the face did her parents pluck up courage to bring her back to Alert India, back on MDT treatment. She was cured completely before any permanent damage could spoil her future.
Once detected, treatment is simple and completely effective. And it's really tragic that because of lack of knowledge or fear, people delay treatment and it leads to deformities and needless suffering.
The great news is that with rehabilitation, it is never too late to arrest the effects of leprosy. Ranjana, the sole breadwinner of her family, found her fingers curling up, making it difficult for her to work. Alert India helped her with diagnosis and pre-treatment. Because of her early deformities, she was also provided physiotherapy. Soon she was cured and her hands regained their strength to work. And today, she is once again a proud and capable breadwinner. Amardeep's is a model case of positive attitude.
मैं टर्नर फिटर का काम करता हूँ. ये 8 महीने से मेरे को ये बीमारी था. मैंने डॉक्टर को दिखाया, अग्रवाल को, फिर भी आराम नहीं, कुछ फर्क पड़ा.
But he remained worried and alert.
तो एक दिन मेरा इंडस्ट्रियल में अर्जुन सर और विंसन सर आए, तो उनको मैंने दिखाया, तो उन्होंने बोला आपका ठीक हो जाएगा, आप अलर्ट इंडिया में आ जाइए. फिर मैं विक्रोली में अगले दिन गया, तो उधर दिखाया. फिर 1 महीना दवा करने के बाद तो मेरे को फ़र्क मालूम पड़ गया. अभी मैं बेटर है पहले से, मच बेटर एकदम.
अभी तो मेरे को भी फर्क दिख रहा है इससे. अगर हो जाएगा तो आप लोग का धन्यवाद.
Looking at Amardeep, no one can tell. All because he took the right initiative to save himself in the nick of time.
काश मैं भी समय पे इलाज करा लेता तो आज भीख मांगने की बजाय मैं भी कोई अच्छा सा जॉब. खैर, लेकिन इस वक्त मैं आपसे भीख नहीं, बस एक प्रॉमिस मांगता हूं. वादा कीजिए कि आप बिना कारण कुष्ठ रोग से घबराएंगे नहीं और इसकी जांच कराने में और तुरंत इलाज कराने में समाज के हर व्यक्ति को प्रोत्साहित करेंगे. अलर्ट इंडिया के वॉलेंटियर्स जो 30 सालों से इस कुष्ठ रोग की जानकारी, पहचान, इलाज और पुनर्वसन में लगे हुए हैं, उनके हाथ और मजबूत करेंगे और लेप्रेसी को हम इस दुनिया से उखाड़ फेंकेंगे ताकि मुझ जैसा आपको कभी कोई नजर तक ना आए.
India India still has the highest number of leprosy patients in the world. For over 30 years, Alert India has been leading the battle against leprosy, helping early detection, treatment, and rehabilitation. Most importantly, we need your help in changing attitudes.
Join me in Alert India's campaign against leprosy. Don't fear leprosy. Help treat it.